Every day is so exciting around here. Our culture is to take care of the customer first. I've been at other dealerships that we'll take care of the dollar first. All our guys, we'll drop what we can and help the customer. That's a nice culture to be around.
If it's hard for me to hook up the PTO, then it's hard for others to do the same thing. And you get older, you arthritis in the hands. Individuals that need to be in the seat of the tractor rather than down there fighting an implement. And we've been blessed because I believe very much that God has a hand in helping individuals do things if you listen.
Neil came to me and kind of asked me could build a lift for a handicapped customer so that he could access his tractor, and if it was a possibility. I said yes. We've got some really good fabricators on staff, and I really felt it was a project that we could handle. There was a lot of challenges along the way of just getting the little details that you don't think of to get everything right. But it was really cool that we had a tractor that by the design of the tractor that was capable of being hand controlled relatively easily. Most of the tractors in that size category just wouldn't be suitable. The tractor matched up for the application.
We had a phone call from an individual. He has been handicapped from birth, and he sometimes would wait 2 to 3 weeks to be able to have somebody help him put an implement on his tractor. Built the system mainly to be able to help him and solve his problem. We went back and went to work on the design. We built a prototype, put it on my tractor. It worked really good.
We took the time to really do it right instead of just throw a bunch of oddball components on there. We really built the entire system to fit the tractor. That took us a long time. I think the end product really shows the care and the quality and skill that our fabricators put into making it work.
It's been quite an experience because we've had individuals break down and cry when they get in their tractor and first hook up an implement. The first guy, Danny, he said that was the first time in his whole life, and he's probably 45, that he's ever hooked up an implement by himself. And when we got his system all on, he went from one implement to another, just going back and forth hooking them up. Had a great big smile on his face just because he could do it. Our customers have ranged from organic farmers that are growing vegetables, that are changing dozens of implements out depending upon what crop they're harvesting or planting. Men whose wives want to have a tractor and do a garden or mow or whatever, and the man does not want to be bothered. We've got individuals who want all their toys and just want the best of everything, and we've set them up. So our range of individuals has been quite diverse.
Yeah, one of the neat things that we were able to do was actually a wireless control, which allows us to not only start the tractor, but to operate the entire lift completely wirelessly. That's a really neat feature that allows the customer to have the mobility for himself and not have to be tangling in cords and things like that.
We was invited to go up to the University of Georgia and show them our product. They had a group of college students in the engineering department that had been working for 2 years to come up with some way of hooking up the PTO system. And when they seen our system, they stopped working on it. They were having too many difficulties. The Jiffy Hitch, we've been making the Jiffy Hitch system since '91. And so when using the Jiffy Hitch as a platform, it made it very simple to put a PTO system, because once you're locked in, then it's very easy for the PTO system to be engaged and know that it's lined up and you're ready to go to work. Our PTO males work on the females that are a non-PTO. The actuator is what does the unlocking of the locking pins. That's how it operates.
I think one of the biggest challenges was just actually the geometry of getting the transfer seat to get into the cab. On a compact tractor cab, there's limited space. Getting that geometry right really took a lot of engineering and a lot of thought and a lot of trial and error to really fit that in right. That was probably our biggest challenge, was getting that lined out right. I'm pretty excited about it. It came out to be a really clean looking conversion. You know, it looks nice. It looks like it belongs there. I think it's going to operate really, really well. At the end of the day, you go, yeah, that made that customer really happy, and that gives us, you know, kind of gives you a sense of pride that you were able to take care of that customer.